Do you have a PMP, CAPM, or other PMI certification and need to submit your PDUs in order to renew your certification? In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to do that. From here, let's go ahead and browse out to PMI.org. And once we're on this page, we can go to our upper right-hand corner after we log in and click the drop-down button like this over our name. From here, we can go to Dashboard or My Certifications. I'm going to browse out to My Certifications directly from this page. Once this page loads, we can go ahead and look at our certifications. In this case, I have my PMP certification and CAPM, but I'm mainly going to be focusing on renewing my PMP. From here, I'm going to go ahead and click Report PDUs just like this. This page is going to expand and it's going to give us an option to go through all of the various PDU activities that we can use in order to renew. Keep in mind, with the PMP certification, you need 60 PDUs or professional development units in order to renew your PMP certification. Those 60 PDUs need to be done every 3 years and submitted directly through PMI's website in order for you to renew your certification. Let's look at first the course and training. This is by far the most common way to renew your PMP certification because many courses give many PDUs, 8 or more, that you can apply directly to your PMP. But you can use any of these different areas and fill these in order to get those PDUs. So for example, if you've read books or blog articles on project management, if you've done any sort of web seminar, if you've went to any sort of PMI meetings, if you've created content like authoring a book, writing a blog page, anything like that, if you've given presentations or anything that falls in any of these PDU areas, you can go through and apply your PDUs and submit them the same way we're going to be submitting our course and training. In this case, I'm going to stick to course and training, and I'm going to go ahead and submit my PDUs here. From here, you can see on the course and training page, it asks us for our provider. This is the actual company or the person that you took a course through. So in our case, if you took a course through us, you can add Teach Me IT like this, or Teach Me It, and you can add the course name of the course you took. So if we browse out to our website, teachmeit.co or teachmeit.co, you can check and see our different course names. I'm going to actually go out to Udemy though and take a look at our PMBOK Guide 8th edition course and copy that title. So let's go ahead and open this here. And we can go ahead and copy the name of this course and we can paste this right in. So again, this course, it's just the course name, or if you have a course ID. In this case, it's the easiest way to do it is inserting the course name. Description is optional. This isn't necessary. You can leave this blank, or you could put some details about the course you took, what different sections and areas and topics that you covered. I'm going to go ahead and leave this one blank though, because it is not required. Next up, we can add our start date. I'm going to go ahead and put December 20th, 2025, and my completion date of December 26th, 2025. Additionally, the URL, we can add the URL to our course. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the URL to the course that I took and paste it in there just like that. If you have a contact person for the course that you took, put their name in here in this contact person field. If you don't, that's completely fine. Same thing, contact phone for that person who created the course or who's providing you that course. Again, if you don't have the contact phone, that's fine as well. And contact email, you can put if you have a contact email. None of these fields are required, but in the event that PMI does audit your PDU submission, it is useful to have this information. Let's go ahead and now fill out our PDUs. Now, you have to consult the course that you've taken in order to understand exactly how many PDUs that you're getting. For example, in our course for our PMBOK Guide 8th edition, ours is 2 PDUs, but depending on the course length, the different types of course materials, course subjects, the different type of course activities like quizzes, PDFs, and things like that, you can get quite a few more than just a few PDUs. Look out for our different courses on Udemy and on teachmeit.co if you're looking to renew, because we're always putting out courses out there that you can use in order to get more PDUs. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and put my PDUs directly in here. Now, there's 3 areas for PDUs. There's the ways of working, power skills, and business acumen. You want to consult the course that you took in order to understand what you should actually put here. Usually, we advise our students to put a 50%, 25%, and 25% split. So we'll do ways of working at 1 PDU, power skills at 0.5 PDUs, and business acumen at 0.5 PDUs, because again, our course is a total of 2 PDUs spread out across these 3 subjects. Again, you want to make sure that you consult the course that you've taken to understand what the balance is or the spread is of the PDUs that you've taken. If you're unsure, you should reach out to the course instructor that you took the course through so they can help you out. In our case, through our Teaching It courses, whenever we have PDUs that we offer for courses, we show you exactly what spread that you should be using when you submit your PDUs. In this case, I have everything filled out. I'm going to go ahead and click I agree that this information and claim is accurate. And then I'll go ahead and press submit just like this. Once you click that submit button, it's going to take you to another page where it confirms your PDU submission. Another way that you can check to verify that your PDUs have been submitted successfully is by going back to PMI.org, going to dashboard or to certification directly, and now we can go ahead and look at our PDU claim history. The way we do that is by going to our certification. In this case, I'll look at my PMP and clicking view claim history just like this. It's right down here, right at the bottom. We'll click view claim history. And you can see here we submitted our PDU claim successfully. Here on the date completed, this shows when we completed the PDU activity. We can see which activity it is. We can see if it's been approved or denied. In this case, it automatically approved. From there, we can see the claim ID. We can see the amount of PDUs that we claimed and how many PDUs have been approved. And that's exactly how you can submit your PDUs directly through PMI.org in order to renew your PMP, CAPM, PMI ACP, or any other PMI certification that you have that needs renewal. Make sure that you check out our courses at teachmeit.co and directly on Udemy if you're looking to find courses and activities that you can apply directly to your PMP and other PMI certifications in order to renew